Hello everyone, welcome to my Java tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'll be doing the do-while loop. In the last tutorial, we saw the while loop, and the do-while loop is a bit different. So, the syntax of a do-while loop is as follows. So we have do, then it is followed by a block of code, and then we have while. Okay, and inside this, we specify some condition. So it works like this. So do this block of code while this condition is true. Okay, so I'll explain this with an example. Now I'll again consider a variable I, and I'll initialize it with 0. Okay, and again inside this I'll write some statement. Let's say sysout hello world. Okay, and hello world, I'll just concatenate it with the variable I. Okay, so do this statement while I is less than or equal to 5. I'll initialize it with 1. Okay, yes, so it will work like this. Do this statement while I is less than equal to true. So do this or execute this block of code while this condition is true. And the first time what happens is this statement will always be executed. So that is the slight difference between the while loop and a do while loop. In case of a do while loop, once the statements are always executed. Okay, so the do loop is executed at least once, whereas it is not necessary in case of while loop. If the first time the condition fails, then the while loop won't be executed at all. But in this case, the do while loop will be executed at least once. Okay, so if we have a requirement where we want to execute the loop at least once, then we should go for a do while loop. Okay, so let's run this program. Okay, and as you can see, we haven't incremented it. So guys, this is a very important observation. You can see it went in infinite loop, and the reason behind that is we haven't incremented the value of I. So every time it was 1, and that's why it was satisfying this condition. So we should not forget to increment the value of I. And now when I run the code, it is displayed 5 times. Okay, so this was the do while loop, and in the next tutorial I'll be doing some other looping statement. Okay, so that's it for now, and see you in the next tutorial.